Handa nga Forces of the Philippines sa balikbansa ng mga Pilipinong naiipit sa bombahan ng Iran at Israel. Sa pulong balitan sa Philippine Air Force, sinabi ni ang Forces Spokesperson Colonel Francine Margaret Padilla, patuloy silang nagbabantay sa sitwasyon. Nakahanda din na niya ang asset ng Forces upang gamitin ng pamahalaan sa paglilikas ng mga kababayan alinsunod umano sa direktiba ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Kasalukuyan anyang nakahood ang unang batch ng rescue team mula sa Israel, Jordan, Palestine at Qatar matapos isara ang airbase ng Israel kaninang madaling araw.
On the AFP support role for possible repatriation of Philippines and Iran-Israel conflict. Should the need arise, the Armed Forces of the Philippines stands ready to assist as directed. We will be guided by the decisions and policies of higher civilian authorities in all actions related to the evolving situation. The Armed Forces of the Philippines is closely monitoring developments in the Middle East, particularly in situation between Iran and Israel. At this time, our priority is to support the Philippine government's efforts to ensure the safety and possible repatriation of Filipinos in affected areas.
Ako si Edwin Moreno sa Kalawit News. Una ka sa balita.